Dr. SNS College of Education. So in this video we are going to see about how to write the lesson plan. That is nothing but format of lesson plan. Previous video we have seen about the what is lesson plan, what is the importance of lesson plan. We have seen that. So in this video we are going to see about the format of lesson plan. So in the format of lesson plan we are following the Herbartian steps. So from the first one, when we are starting the lesson plan, you have to use this format. That is, first one is nothing but it's the name of your student teacher. That is your name. Next one is name of the school. If you want to add the name of the guide teacher is also, if you need, it is well and good. Otherwise, you can leave it. Next one is subject. Which subject you are handling? Then the topic as well as the class. Last one also you can add up with the date. So first you are writing this format in the lesson plan. Then next only you are framing the instructional objectives. So next heading is instructional objectives. So you are framing the instructional objectives which is relevant to your topic, Then the instructional objectives also, we are framing the Bloom's taxonomy. We are framing from the Bloom's taxonomy. So the objectives also starting from the verbal. So the main objectives in the Bloom's taxonomy, knowledge, understanding, application, we are arriving the specific objectives. For example, you can use those words define, explain, discriminate, differentiate, compare, as well as solving, illustrate, justify, draws. So these are the some of the specific objectives which we are using usually. Suppose we are arriving the instruction objectives for the first one is define. Next one is explain. Then the third one is compare. So these are the three objectives which you are framing. So for example, which you are framing for that particular content. So next one is, next heading is, third one is framing the instructional resources required. So the instructional resources required is nothing but teaching aids. The instructional resources required is nothing but teaching aids. So you should not write the blackboard and chalk piece is not a book is not as called a teaching aids. The teaching aids is which you are preparing to make the student to understand in a better way. So you can prepare a dummy model or a working model or chart, class card, posters. Even you can do as the activities also in the class in order to have some motivational also you can do. But the instructional objectives and also there is a norms and regulations to prepare the all the teaching aids also. So teaching aids, whatever you are preparing, it should be relevant to the topic. Okay, so that teaching aids may be dummy model or working model or improvised model and also some 3D models also available. So if you are preparing a working model, it should be follow the principle of that one. For example, in a physics students, if you are using that fan as a working model, so when you switch on, the fan is rotating. So the electrical energy is converted to the mechanical energy. Like in a grinder also the same way. So when the bulb is glowing, so what you are saying, that is the electrical energy is converted to the light energy. So there is a principle that energy cannot neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy can be transferred into the another form of energy. So this is the principle we are using in that working model. principle or law. That is called as working model. Okay. So next heading is checking the previous knowledge of the learners. Previous knowledge of the learners. Previous knowledge of the learners. That is, here you are checking the knowledge of the previous knowledge of that particular content. So here they are asking a simple question. For example, if you are going to take a topic measurement, so you can ask the question, what is the use of scale? So you have to write the question as well as the answer also. So simple question, what is the use of a scale? To measure. To measure. Like that you can have it. So then last one is